Okay, all right, we are go. We are back talking about harmonics. I run a Forex Signals group. Forex Signals, I've done indices, crypto signals, kind of shut down the crypto signals. I mean, I wanted to focus more attention on on just a few, not be too out there as far as different, different services. I don't spread myself too thin. Have to allow time for the day for the research before putting out any signals or alerts or anything I have to do. Have to spend time doing research, which I enjoy. My favorite thing to do. All right, so we're on a 3 hour. I basically don't really do stocks, but I found that my strategy actually works on stocks as well. I'm kind of taking this as a information that you can use to trade option. I'm no longer a registered representative stockbroker. I used to be. I'm no longer licensed at this point. I've retired. But I do have over 10 years of trading experience, and these are just a culmination of my experience. Mostly trading. I traded stocks and I traded um, the Forex and indices. So anyway, this is basically how I'm able to have large gains, um, many number of pips in one trade. Um, the first is the what. The second part is the when, and the when is basically I can give it to you this way, just in a simple nutshell. Um, if you look at, hold on, here I have identified some harmonics that did not get filled. This one was only 75%. But the big one is here. The big one is here. This is where what happens is price, when price runs up too hard or too strong, it collapses. It comes back to that area where it had pushed. Okay. This would be fulfilled if the price had come here, bounced, and continued up. It did not. It broke that harmonics. I don't know. I have it. I don't have it big so you can see, but let's see if I can zoom in. Maybe that might be too close. Well, instead of coming down, okay, and filling this at the level, it was too strong, pushed prices higher. This is all the way back in November of 2020. Well, I wrote notes in on. This right here is the reason why price will, I say will, I don't say might, because you know why? This is 100% prediction. This part of it. Okay, very high probabilities. Okay, so I mean, if it's 99.9, I mean, I wouldn't worry about 99.9 or 99 or 98. I'm gonna trade it as 100. All right. But I mean, so far, I know maybe one day I'll find one, but I haven't found one that did not fulfill. Eventually, even if it broke, no matter how strong the trend or how far it went, it did not matter. Uh, Traders, the psychology, traders, it's all in. It has a cycle and it has a pattern that it follows. Okay, it's not chaos. It is very organized. Okay, without the traders or without our consciousness of it. Okay. Oh, hold on. Turn this off. Excuse me, guys. So, um, what's the other thing? Let me put this thing on mute. Okay, so trading this pattern. What I do is I watch the trend. Okay, and I want to see signs of cracking. Oh, as far as the short is concerned, so it looked like it was getting ready, but because well, actually, you know what? This is it's missing. Okay, it doesn't see that we don't see because we're on a 3 hour. It doesn't appear. I don't know if I move this well, I'm not going to hit it. It doesn't appear that we can see this because harmonics exist on an infinite level. We don't have infinite time frames to look at. Okay. But I would move this actually to here because in the past, I have known when I see price action bounce like that, that tells me there's a harmonic that it's bouncing off of. So the entry is actually there. And then the second one is just going to bounce here also. Well, I'm not going to put a line there, but it's going to bounce when it gets there also. Back. Now, this is a year ago. Okay. You look ahead. Where's price now? It's double that. Okay. You know how they say the trip back is usually quick? This is pretty much what this is going to be. We want to see this crack below. As a matter of fact, I have another indicator that looks like this, but it's not called the Ichimoku. That just has further confirmation. Ichimoku can have some false signals, like right here would be a false signal. And then it ended up double bottom and went higher. Okay, another false signal. So what I would like to do is when this comes down, either it comes inside of this green dash line, breaks this line, be further confirmation. 1, 2, 3 from the 3 lines. I mean, that's it. And then the final nail in the coffin is going to be this area right here, and that bad boy is coming back. Okay. I would like to see it do this. If it can do this, these are just common things that I've seen in the past with breakthroughs of the cloud. It would go, I know it's like tiny, right? And then come up. It hit it twice. Well, it's supposed to go, come up, and then bounce. So I'd like to see is a bounce off of the red cloud that's going to form. When this happens again, there's going to be like this. There's a little stem, and it'll be a red cloud. I want that price to not go inside, back inside that cloud. Once it bounces off, I'm taking the trade. Okay? So this is at what, 549? This price is going to end up at 240. And okay, now here comes the meaty, juicy part. The next part of this is when. When do you think that this will return, Mr. Aaron? Based on this, you can pretty much predict where price will return. I don't know, why can my computer is acting so? I got too many programs open or something? Probably. It's like slow. What in the world? I'd like to bring this in a little bit. Let's bring this down. Bring it over. I want to be able to see that other side. Now, for instance, if you see this cross that cloud and have confirmation by this point in time, you can expect, it's going to be a little more, you can expect between here, just, I'll show you. Hold on. Between, see, it would be here and here. Something like this. That's if it broke now, either now or very soon. Okay, if it broke that area, this area, that area, especially this one, then you're gonna look at this. Okay, sometimes it kind of takes a while, so it'll be up in here somewhere. Something, and then the gap is a little, looks just like that opposite side. Okay, mirror images, mirror images, same traders. It'll be the same traders on this side as it will be on this side. Okay, generally speaking. So if you want to do an option play, all right, say between this area and here, below $300, between July 2020, June 2022, pick your date. I don't know why it's not showing the rest. Anyway, so it'll be, July to January, February area, and somewhere in this area of 23. That this will be lower than $300, or you can say lower than 400, or whatever. Me, I would play this area here, especially that far out. Um, Maybe not that far out. Let's say somewhere in here, somewhere in here. It depends. Once you see this break, then you'll know. Okay, don't not now. I'm saying if it broke now, then you can expect this time. Okay, if it breaks later, you got to move this out. If it goes higher and all that stuff, you structure. Remember, mirror. You can't see my hand. Mirror images on the turn. Mirror images each side. Okay. All right. So you can also, don't forget, you guys can pick up my RSI strategy course. You can visit, matter of fact, and get your information. Oops, three T's. Good forward slash, right? Yeah. Connect one. All right, so visit that site. That's the short link, whatever. Visit that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a happy Thanksgiving 2021, and I'll leave this up for future reference and see how they fill out. My last prediction, GBP AUD, my last prediction on the Forex a couple weeks out did hit target. Okay, I put that on YouTube, and then I archived the video, but I still have the video, and you'll be able to see how accurate this analysis really is. So take care, have a happy Thanksgiving, and thank you for watching.